oh. Go on, bud. Go on. Yay! Yay! Oh, he doesn't know what to do. She keeps positioning herself to him to mate, and it's like I don't think he fully understands. He spent about 5 or 10 minutes just staring at her, like not knowing what was going on, and I don't think he fully understands how to mate with her, probably, other than just seeing his parents do it. Oh, you guys cannot understand just how happy this thing right here has made me. I'm besides myself right now. I don't even feel like it's real. I feel like I'm dreaming this, because I've spent so much time trying to get them to coexist and potentially mate, and today it's finally feeling like it's going to happen. I'll have to keep an eye on them though, but it's been a hell of a progress. Like I generally don't even know what to say, but I'm so happy for them, because it's starting to feel like at the very least they're becoming friends with benefits. I'm so happy right now. So happy.